Hello, this is Kay from Food Delicious. Today's recipe is canapes. So the ingredients required for this recipe is Bellini, smoked salmon, cream cheese, hummus and cucumber. If your supermarket doesn't sell Bellinis, Melba toast works well too. These Bellini canapes are easy to assemble, taste delicious and are perfect for party food. Start off with spreading generous amounts of hummus. Layer the cucumbers. Sprinkle some black pepper, this is optional. Spread some generous amount of cream cheese. And now layer it with some smoked salmon. Some black pepper, again optional. And the famous toothpicks. This is not a big amount. I'm going to have this for my lunch. But I wanted to share with you how easy it is to make canapes. Thank you all for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it all. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I would love to hear from you. If you have any questions or want to review the recipe, please write in the comments below.